This is Dallas Behringer at the LISD TV Parents' Day Open House, and we're bringing it to you.
It's wonderful. This gives us a chance to interact, bring all the parents in, plus people from the outside community in to view what we do at the Tech Center. You know what? This doesn't have to be a mystery anymore. This has to be inviting people in, see what we do, and get the parents excited about it with all our young people here.
What are your thoughts, Dad?
Well, son, I enjoyed it. I have no idea whether I actually captured any footage or not because I'm not 100% sure that I was recording, but I'll be excited to find out.
You know, for the first time, this may be a glimpse into what their child is really like. In other words, coming here, being able to apply what they've learned is huge in a lot of students' lives. This is the first time they've been able to do that.
Well, I think it's certainly something that I didn't have the opportunity to do when I was his age, so it's really nice that he has that chance to learn about audiovisual things, especially since he has a big interest in it.
The turnout for my program's been amazing. We have probably 20 some of my students here. We've got just as many parents here. We're all interacting with each other. We've had business people here. We've had school board members here. And the response, I think, has been tremendous. I'm real encouraged.